Billions years ago, this same ground was burning. Temperatures of thousands of degrees, rivers of molten rock, a planet still being born. This is not science fiction. This is the true story of Earth. And in the next few minutes, we are going to travel through 4.5 billion years of history. From a fiery beginning to the first spark of life. This is the epic story of our only home. The birth of everything before Earth existed. Before the sun, before galaxies, there was nothing. No space, no time, no matter, just emptiness. Then, about 13.8 billion years ago, everything changed. In a single, unimaginably powerful moment, the universe was born. Scientists call this event the Big Bang. At the very beginning, all matter, all energy, space itself, and even time were compressed into a point smaller than an atom. This point is known as a singularity. It was hotter and denser than anything we can imagine. And then, it began to expand, not into space, but space itself began expanding. Like a balloon inflating, the universe grew larger and cooler. As it cooled, the first tiny particles formed, then atoms, hydrogen, helium, the building blocks of everything. Birth of stars and galaxies. Over millions of years, gravity pulled vast clouds of gas together. These clouds collapsed, heated up, and ignited. The first stars were born, stars gathered into galaxies. And inside these stars, something extraordinary happened. Extreme heat and pressure forged new elements: carbon, oxygen, iron. When massive stars reached the end of their lives, they exploded in colossal blasts called supernovae. These explosions scattered heavy elements across the universe. Every atom in your body, the iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, was created inside ancient stars. That's why scientists say we are made of stardust. The birth of our solar system, about 4.6 billion years ago, in a quiet corner of the Milky Way. A massive cloud of gas and dust drifted through space. Scientists call it the solar nebula. Then, a nearby star exploded, a supernova. Its shock waves slammed into the cloud, causing it to collapse under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it began to spin faster, flattening into a giant disk. At the center, pressure became so intense that hydrogen atoms fused together. Nuclear fusion began. Energy was released. Our sun was born. Around the young sun, leftover dust and rock collided, stuck together, and slowly grew. Small grains became rocks, rocks became mountains, mountains became worlds. Formation of the planets. Closer to the sun, it was too hot for ice to survive. Only rock and metal remained. That's how Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars formed. Farther out, where it was colder, ice mixed with gas. This created giants like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter and Saturn grew enormous. Their gravity was so powerful that they captured or deflected countless asteroids. By doing so, they protected Earth from constant destruction. They became the guardians of our solar system. Earth's violent beginning. Early Earth was not peaceful. It was a molten world. Asteroids slammed into it relentlessly. Its surface melted, reformed, and melted again. Inside the planet, heavy elements like iron and nickel sank to the center. They formed Earth's core. Lighter materials rose to the surface, forming the crust. Between them formed the mantle. This process is called planetary differentiation. Earth's molten outer core began to move, creating a powerful magnetic field, an invisible shield. This shield protects our planet from deadly solar radiation. Without it, Earth would be a lifeless desert. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth experienced its greatest collision. A Mars-sized planet called Theia crashed into Earth. The impact was catastrophic. Debris was blasted into space. Over time, that debris came together, forming the Moon. The Moon stabilized Earth's tilt. It created tides. It slowed Earth's rotation, turning 6-hour days into the 24-hour days we know today. Some scientists believe pieces of Theia still lie buried deep within Earth. The Hadean Eon, Earth's first 600 million years, are known as the Hadean Eon, named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. Asteroids fell constantly. Volcanoes erupted endlessly. Earth was a burning hellscape. Yet even then, something remarkable happened. Zircon crystals show that by 4.4 billion years ago, liquid water already existed. Life was becoming possible. Earth endured another violent phase. The Late Heavy Bombardment. Asteroids and comets crashed into the planet. Each impact released unimaginable energy. But they also delivered something priceless. Water. Birth of the oceans. Earth's oceans formed through 3 main sources. Volcanoes released massive amounts of water vapor. Asteroids carried water locked inside minerals. Comets delivered ice from the outer solar system. For millions of years, rain fell non-stop. Basins filled, oceans spread. Earth became the blue planet. The first life. Around 3.5 billion years ago, the first life appeared. Simple microorganisms. Many lived near deep-sea volcanic vents, feeding on chemical energy, not sunlight. Later, a revolutionary organism evolved, cyanobacteria. They discovered photosynthesis. Using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, they produced food and released oxygen. The Great Oxidation Event. At first, oxygen was rare, but over millions of years, it built up in the atmosphere. About 2.4 billion years ago, oxygen levels suddenly surged. This was the Great Oxidation Event. For many organisms, oxygen was deadly. They went extinct. But for others, it unlocked powerful new ways to live. Oxygen formed the ozone layer, shielding life from harmful radiation. Snowball Earth, between 720 and 630 million years ago, Earth froze over completely. Even the equator was covered in ice. Scientists call this Snowball Earth. Life survived beneath the frozen oceans. Eventually, volcanic carbon dioxide warmed the planet. The ice melted. Life rebounded. About 540 million years ago, life suddenly exploded in complexity. Eyes, shells, teeth, legs, predators appeared. Food chains formed. This was the Cambrian explosion. Life moved onto land. Plants came first, then insects, then amphibians, then reptiles, and finally, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for over 160 million years. They walked on land. They flew through the skies. They dominated the planet. Until the last day of dinosaur. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth near modern-day Mexico. The explosion released energy equal to millions of nuclear bombs. Fires spread worldwide. Dust blocked the sun. Plants died. Food chains collapsed. All dinosaurs, except birds, went extinct. With dinosaurs gone, mammals thrived. Some became giants, others evolved intelligence. From one branch of primates, humans emerged. We walked upright, used tools, discovered fire, built civilizations, studied the stars. In a geological instant, we transformed the planet. Now, Earth's future is in our hands. Why this story matters from the Big Bang, to stars, to oceans, to life, everything led here. Earth exists in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold. Among billions of planets, this one came alive. We are the universe becoming aware of itself. And with awareness comes responsibility. Because this isn't just Earth's story, it's our story. And the next chapter has not been written yet.